Hello viewers, welcome to this channel. My name is 𝘼𝙇𝙇 and I'm here today to share my experience using the Curl Power Pomade. I'm no stranger to pomades, so I'm really excited to share with you guys what I thought about this one particularly. Braid outs and other curly styles like this are super easy to achieve using the Morrocco Method Curl Powder Pomade, and I'm going to show you how I did it. I highly recommend you using Diamond Crystal Mist Spray. Now this is a good leave-in, especially for people who don't want to have weighed down hair for their styles. Also, it has my name in it. Like, can we just have a moment to appreciate Crystal in this product name? I'm just saying. So after I sectioned, detangled, and did all of that for my hair before I started braiding, I went ahead and applied this silver grapeseed elixir. It's from the golden and silver elixir set. I made sure to run through from the root all the way to the ends of my hair with it. I love it because it does restore the vitality of my hair. It feels so cooling when it gets to my scalp, and I love that I'm just doing some extra added treatment to my hair right before I do something like a braid out, because sometimes we don't wait the next day and take it out. Life gets in the way and you end up having those plaits for like days. So this was really good to have on my hair to make sure that my hair was still being conditioned in a way that some of these other products couldn't necessarily do. And I really liked it. It's a nice like feeling on my skin. Like I said, it's definitely one of those like lighter weight products, and look at me, child, I'm over here. I just liked it so much. But let's continue on with this video. I just applied a small amount of curl power all over my sections that I then braided. I love its texture as well. It's very buttery and it's not sticky like some pomades do have, like a kind of sticky residue feeling. This is not like that at all. It smells very natural. It's not gonna be one of those smells that you're gonna like, that's gonna linger with you throughout the day. Like, it's definitely gonna go away at some point if you do smell it, because I personally haven't smelled it since the first night I used it on my hair, which is great. I mean, I like that because it doesn't necessarily need to be my perfume and my hair care product either. I just want to put this out there. You do have to use water in order to hydrate your hair, but to moisturize your hair and to seal it all in, pomades or oil-based products are great. That's just how I've always done it, and I think it's always worked. So that's why I really think this product did such a great job at holding in the moisture, because I was already hydrated, freshly washed. In case you guys didn't see that video, be sure to check it out, where we talk about the conditioning bar and shampoo bar, also by Morrocco Method. A few days later, I took down the braids. I was really happy to see the results from this product because it did exactly what it needed to do. No more, no less. Some pomades do make my hair look ashy that I've tried. They leave like this white chalky residue, and I just don't understand how that happens. And then they also don't even curl up. Like my curls are not defined after using pomades, but this does that so well. If you suffer from crazy shrinkage like I do, this is my hair when it's like midway to its true length. As you can see, my hair still goes on, but it's gotten a lot less shrinkage as a result of using this curl power. So big ups to that. Super happy about that. And not only does it make your curls last, or whatever style you have, it is going to make your hair feel so moisturized. I noticed there was a little less breakage the days following using this product. It's really nice to have something in my collection of hair products just like the curl power to defend against breakage, and I think that that's one of the things I immediately noticed about it. It's just like the perfect one and done hair curl product that you can find in your arsenal. So I definitely think you guys should check it out on the 𝘼𝙇𝙇-𝙇 website. Any of the products you saw today in this video will also be linked down below. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.